We good? What's up, guys? It's your boy Courtland Griffin with the 3-point conversion. Right now, I got two guys from In Harmony, Dr. James Leathem and Craig. What's your last name again?
Goldberg.
Craig Goldberg. That's a great last name, by the way. These guys are mental health and wellness. Man, of course, we're here at Super Bowl 57. So, can you guys speak to what you guys do and what the mission is?
Absolutely. So I'm one of the co-founders of In Harmony Interactive. Dr. James Leathem is with Advanced Wellness and Pain. He's local here, and he's a psychedelic doctor and does some incredible work with ketamine and ketamine therapy. And he's integrated our vibroacoustic technology into the work that he does to create set and setting. So we're here bringing awareness to a relaxed state of mind. We're here bringing awareness to how you can reprogram your mind, rewire your mind to get out of these negative, stress-related patterns and replace that with a more cool, collected outlook on life. And Dr. James is among the best. We're actually going to be at Lee Steinberg's event tomorrow, and Advanced Wellness and Pain has sponsored that event.
That's crazy, because when you hear about ketamine, you normally hear about negative effects of ketamine. So, Dr. Leathem, can you speak to the positive effects of ketamine and how you're applying that to the health side and the positive side of things?
Totally. So anything in life can be used as a tool or a weapon, right? Our phone, tool or a weapon. Love, tool or a weapon. Ketamine, medicines, tools or weapons, right? So we use it as a tool. It's a catalyst for change. So we prepare you properly. Of course, you're medically screened. You come in with intention. It's supervised by board-certified anesthesiologists. Very, very safe. Everything's monitored. So it's not a weapon. This is not people in a club or rave scene just saying, taking a snort of white powder and like hoping they have a fun time, right? It's not that. This is completely different. Later on this year, MAPS, the Multidisciplinary Association for Psychedelic Studies, they're going to apply for FDA approval for MDMA, right? That's ecstasy. That's going to be used as a tool in PTSD. Ketamine is the only legal psychedelic right now. It's an amazing tool for PTSD, depression, anxiety, different chronic pain syndromes, things that are labeled as treatment resistant. We actually finished treating a retired NFL player, and it was for a traumatic brain injury. And he was manifesting as depression, anxiety, had all this trauma like headaches, insomnia, anger outbursts with his family. He just finished about a month ago. He said, basically, I would have paid $1 million to feel this good last year, right? But now he does feel better. So we're trying to raise awareness that there is hope out there. There are alternative treatments besides just taking, Prozac, Zoloft, Wellbutrin, one of these, SSRIs or SNRIs every single day for the rest of your life, right? That's just a Band-Aid. We want you to heal. So I'm trying to get you to go within so you can get beyond what's holding you back. So my little slogan with ketamine is that ketamine can help you get into your mind so you can get out of your head. And Craig Goldberg's technology helps you to say goodbye to the distracted mind so you can say hello to a relaxed existence, right? Because at the end of the day, it's all about energy. We're energy in human form right now. And if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, you have to start to think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. That's Nikola Tesla right there. So we're trying to get you to be more present, right? Get out of your head, get into your body. In the present moment, the PME, the present moment energy is all that really matters, right? The past is done. The future hasn't happened yet, so don't worry about it, right? It's going to happen. Prepare yourself in the present moment and heal what you can heal. And we help people to accelerate the healing process with ketamine infusions, psychedelic medicine. Psychedelic just means mind revealing. Psyche, mind or spirit, delic from the Greek word delos, to reveal meaning or to manifest. So these are tools, catalysts for change. And our process within Harmony, it is in harmony. It's amazing. Like, we're really elevating people's consciousness. We're here to raise the collective human consciousness awareness that there's alternative treatments out there. It is off-label, but it works very rapidly. So there's hope. It's not hype.
So you mentioned former NFL players, and we've seen guys like, let's say, Antonio Brown, for example, or even guys like we had Tony Dorsett and Earl Campbell, who are guys who took a big bat. Like, the game was different back in the past. Yeah. Those guys took a lot of beatings.
Totally.
So how can you use your technology and your knowledge of psychedelics to maybe help those guys, and maybe guys like myself who are former athletes who don't have joint pain, but every now and again you have those ups and downs from the hits that you may have taken that you didn't know had those effects?
Totally. So CTE, chronic traumatic encephalopathy, that's a diagnosis that's done on autopsy, right? Will Smith was in that movie Concussion back in 2016. What we would have is a high suspicion that if you engaged in sports and you're getting your bell rung, you're having concussions, and then all of a sudden now you're having depression, you're having mood swings, you can't sleep properly, the headaches, then likely maybe that's going on in there, right? Because we know this now. So why not use different things to help treat it and help to try to heal through neuroplasticity, new brain cell connections. You can go in the gym and work out and eat healthy, right, and change your body. Well, you can also change your mind. It's malleable. It's not set in stone. Right, so ketamine is like taking that clay and heating it up so it's more malleable now. So now we can change, we can get unstuck. Right, you want to hit that reset button basically. What do you do with your phone if it's not working? You turn it off, you turn it back on. Well, you can do that same thing with the human mind, and it's through ketamine and psychedelics. And then Craig's technology within Harmony allows us to really optimize set and setting. The setting's the environment. So you're on this vibroacoustic bed. As you're getting the infusion, it's a magic carpet ride. It's incredible. And with about 90% predictability, we can get you go out of body. If you go out of body, all of a sudden now your problems don't seem that big anymore. Right? On the end of the day, we're conscious meat suits on a blue rock floating through space, right? That it's crazy to think about. We're microscopic in the grand scheme of all this. I like to say to people, we were once a sperm. You made it. We made it. We beat out 300 million others to make it here.
The odds are
incredible. The odds are incredible. We're here right now.
Yep.
Here's how this is relative to everybody that's watching and everybody that's listening, to the weekend warrior, to the elite athlete. We all go through the same trials and tribulations every single day. We all have that negative self-talk. Even the elite athletes, some of the most powerful people on the planet, I have the pleasure of talking to, that imposter syndrome starts to settle in. Why am I here? Did I earn this? Do I deserve this? It's a survival mechanism of our reptilian brain that keeps us protected and keeps us safe. And it's the same for every single one of us. We can reprogram that. You can do that through manifestation, through visualization. You can do that through meditation and mindfulness. For a lot of folks, they can't meditate. They can't sit there and do nothing, turn the mind off, because we're so focused on the future, anxiety, or focused on the past, depressed. And this is this pattern and this rut that we all fall into. Technology got us into this mess. A lot of it is this camera and this spectacular microphone, the iPhone, the Apple Watch, the AirPods. I use all of it. Technology can get us out of this mess. And of course, some of these medicines with their off-label application in a safe environment can truly be used to expand the mind, to get you to look at your past with a different lens and make that same traumatic experience less traumatic, or that brain injury or that traumatic hit. All of a sudden you can start to reprogram your brain and regrow.
And again, guys, this is Courtland Griffin here at Radio Row Super Bowl 57 with Craig Goldberg,
Dr. James Leathem.
And Dr. James Leathem from In Harmony, man. Moving things into the future with technology and a different application on psychedelics. We out. Peace.